God, dude. That's horrifying. Look at it. This is an EF5. Yeah, I see the base.
Should be passing us any second.
I see what looks like an RFD cut.
That makes sense.
I think it's rain wrapped to hell. I mean, it's got hail wrapping around it.
Yeah.
I just can't tell, dude. Oh, power flash. Power flash. Oh my God, it's a big wedge. It's a big wedge. Oh, it's huge. Shit.
Oh my God.
It's humongous.
Holy fuck.
Dude, it's humongous.
Dude.
Oh my God.
Jesus Christ. You honestly could probably get the drone up.
That's what I'm thinking. Big wedge. Oh my gosh. Violent wedge.
Hey, stop the satellite!
Yeah. Oh my God.
It's gonna track straight for Sylvia.
I can't turn away from it. Dude, that's a town killer. All right, I gotta turn away from it.
What?
All right, I need you glued to the radar now. See, this jogs east, we're dead. Like, not living.
Yeah, it's gonna hit that one.
That town's gonna need help. Oh my God, dude.
I don't know if you can look, but it's sad.
That's horrifying. Look at it.
Oh my God.
All right, we gotta get to Gwinnett.
Yep.
This is an exceptionally violent tornado. This is an EF5. All right, buddy. It's time to put your big boy pants on.
Yep.
You're about to see some shit you don't want to see. When we get to a disaster zone, first thing I need you to do is relax. Take a breath. You're going to stay by me. We're going to go house by house. If there's structures destroyed. Okay, you go house by house, you do a hailing call. I have the boots, I'll get in there. If we have to pull somebody out, we'll pull them out. Do not walk away from me or go off in any direction. Don't be a hero. Half a mile?